Step 1. Select the object. Hold the Control key. Drag the object with a Move tool to the desired point. Release the Control key. Type the number of copies and tap the Enter key.
The journey may seem daunting, but with each tutorial, you'll find yourself growing, learning, and evolving. Before we part ways, remember to hit that subscribe button.
Step 2. Select the object. Hold the Control key. Drag the object to the end. Release the Control key. Tap the Divide key. Type the number of copies and tap the Enter key.